Images from PC to mobile. How to transfer images from computer to mobile. First of all, we will look at the transferring of images from a computer to an iPhone. Open iTunes on your computer. Choose File and then Add to Library. You can see in the picture what I am talking about. Click Pictures on the left sidebar. Choose the photo or folder of photos that you want to transfer to your iPhone from the choices in the folder and find a window and click Open to import the photos from your Mac. Connect your iPhone to your computer using the appropriate USB cable. When your phone registers on the left-hand menu, double-click the name of your phone. Click the Photos tab on the Sync menu. Check the box that says Sync Photos. Indicate which folders you want to transfer to your iPhone. Choose either All Folders to transfer all photos or Selected Photos to transfer some specific photos. If you choose Selected Photos, then check the box next to the photos that you want to transfer. Click on Apply and wait for your iPhone to sync. After being done, disconnect the USB cable. Open the Photos app on your iPhone home screen and you'll find the photos that you have transferred should appear within the app. Now we will look at how to transfer images from a computer to an Android phone. Connect your Android phone to your computer using appropriate USB cable. If you are using a PC, you may see an installation bubble appear on the screen. Allow the PC to complete the installation. Open the notification window on your Android phone. Tap USB connected. Tap Mount on the notification window. Locate the device on your PC or Mac. If you are using a PC, look for the device under My Computer. If you are using Mac, the device icon will appear on your desktop. Drag and drop the image files onto the device icon. Open the notification window and tap Turn off USB storage after being done. Disconnect the USB cable from your computer. Now we will look at how to transfer images from a computer to BlackBerry. Connect your BlackBerry to your computer using a USB cable. If you are using Windows, then your PC may have to install your BlackBerry device. Tap Yes when your BlackBerry prompts, do you want to turn on mass storage mode? Find your BlackBerry on your computer. Look under My Computer on a PC or on the desktop on a Mac. Double-click the device icon. Open the file that says BlackBerry and then go to Pictures. Drag and drop the images from your computer into BlackBerry's picture folder. Disconnect your BlackBerry from the computer and you are done. So this is how we can move images from your computer to your smartphones.